Do you want to turn your pharmacy degree into a job in Australia and earn 80 lakh rupees a year? Meet Opra, the Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment, your gateway to provisional registration. Stick around to know more. Hello everyone and welcome back to Academically. Today we will talk about the Opra exam. I'll tell you exactly what it is, how it is graded, what is tested, how to prepare and how much it's gonna cost. Let's go. Now the first question, what is Opra? So Opra is basically your first gateway into the Australian pharmacy system. It's a computer-based multiple choice exam. Once you pass it, you become eligible for provisional registration. Think of it as Australia checking if you have the clinical knowledge to safely practice there. If you do, you move forward. Simple. Here's the whole Opra registration process stepwise. Step 1, apply for the APC eligibility check. Step 2, once approved, register for Opra and book your slot at a Pearson VUE center. Step 3, take the exam. It has 120 questions and is 2.5 hours long. Step 4, wait for about 4 weeks before your result. Step 5, once you pass, you can move towards provisional registration with Opra and begin supervised practice. That is the entire journey. Easy, simple and uncomplicated. But before we go any further, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to stay updated. Now let's talk about marks because everyone panics there. The Opra exam has 120 MCQs and you get 150 minutes to attempt. Here's the twist. There is no fixed pass mark. APC uses psychometry scoring method for rash or scaled scoring, so passing depends on meeting the standard for that exam form. Your result will only say pass or unsuccessful. So what does Opra exactly test? Opra isn't about memorizing drug lists, it's about clinical judgment. Expect questions from therapeutics. It's the biggest section that covers 45% of the syllabus. Pharmacology or toxicology, medicinal, chemistry, biopharmaceutics and PK/PD, real clinical scenarios, safe and effective patient care. If you've practiced as a pharmacist before, a lot of this is going to feel familiar, but Australian guideline style is what you need to master. Now, let us talk about the preparation. This is, after all, the most important part. Let me give you a simple 8-week roadmap that works for most candidates. So for weeks 1 and 2, you get the APC Opra guide, look at the sample paper, do 1 mock test just to know where you stand, and for weeks 3 to 6, you practice 50 to 80 MCQs daily. Focus on high-yield therapeutics like cardio, antibiotics, diabetes, respiratory, pain, emergencies. Don't study blindly. Study using patterns from your own mock results. And from week 7 and 8, take weekly full mock exams. Fix your timing and get a feel of the exam environment. That matters more than you think. Consistency beats perfection. Finally, let's talk money. This part is important because Opra is an investment. So let's break down the real expenses that you need to be ready for. For the APC eligibility check, it's about 810 Australian dollars. For the Opra exam fee, around 2,245 Australian dollars. The skill assessment outcome fee, around 300 Australian dollars. Opra provisional registration, roughly 160 to 240 Australian dollars depending on the year. English test, if required, is around 587 for OET. IELTS and PET, there are similar charges in Australian dollars. For migration and PR fees, government charges can be between 4,000 to 5,000 or more Australian dollars. Optional agent fees, that's extra. So in total, you can expect 8,000 Australian dollars or more, depending on your visa pathway. That's around 4.5 to 5 lakh Indian rupees. But the ROI on this is huge. The salary for a fresh intern is nearly 30 lakh per annum Indian rupees. Once you get fully licensed, you can start earning 55 to 60 LPA. And as the career progresses, the salary only goes up. The experienced pharmacist can earn between 80 to 90 lakh per annum. Can you give a retake? Yes, definitely. You can re-register and sit the whole paper. Can you take an Opra exam from overseas? Yes, as long as there is an approved Pearson VUE center near you. How long does it take to prepare? 3 to 6 months typical, but 2 to 3 months focused prep is possible if you're strong clinically. If you're an overseas pharmacist, Opra is the stepping stone. Start with APC's Opra exam guide, do the eligibility check, and schedule your first mock today. And if you have already registered, it's time for preparation. Join our Opra preparation course, where you not only get a comprehensive preparation package but also India's first AI adaptive mock exam series, along with expert guidance, practice questions, and much more. And if you're juggling work with your preparation, the Opra Crash Preparation course is just for you. Short, intense, and impactful. So where are you on your Opra journey? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos on healthcare careers abroad, and press that bell icon to stay updated. I'll see you in the next one.